Hello friends, I am Dr. Shantha Kumari from Hyderabad. I am a consultant at Yashoda Hospitals and the FOXI President-elect for 2021. So I bring greetings from Hyderabad to all of you. Hope all of you are okay. And we're going to actually meet on the 16th May on a webinar where we'll be discussing about telemedicine during the pandemic. Well friends, when in March this lockdown started in the COVID pandemic, we actually were in a dilemma because the elective OPDs were stopped and we were advising all our antenatal patients to stop coming to OPD for any routine ANC. So in this time, actually, the dilemma began. How do we connect to our patients? How do we deal with the problems patients are facing in their simple antenatal problems? And then we were actually forced to resort to telemedicine. Then all the questions came about how we're going to deal with the telemedicine issues, whether it is legal or not, because we did have some issues about telemedicine before the pandemic. So now during the pandemic, we know that telemedicine has been permitted by the Medical Council of India, and a lot of us do have some doubts about this telemedicine and the medico-legal aspects. Well friends, connect with us on this webinar on the 16th for discussion on this telemedicine and the medico-legal aspects. Along with me, we have my friend, Dr. Hitesh Bhatt, who will be able to actually clear all your doubts on the medico-legal aspects also. And I take the opportunity to thank Indico Pharma for being the partner for this, academic partner for this webinar. And of course, we have to thank our dear friends, DocMode, who are giving the back-end support in this difficult time. And now we have moved away from the real conferences to real CMAs to all the virtual meets, the virtual webinars. So friends, block your date, be ready. We will be meeting on the 16th May for this webinar where we will try to see how best we can clear some of the doubts in all of you regarding telemedicine and the medico-legal aspects. Okay, see you. Bye.